So now let's see how we can add in attachments inside of our notes in Evernote. So to add in attachments, you need to go around and click on the insert button right here. And over here, you can see that attachment is an option. So with your note, what you can do is you can attach out any files that you want right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around over here on to, let's say, for example, this SVZ file right here. So let me just click on open. And what happens is that that particular file gets attached out right here. So what you can do with the attachment is you can download it back right here, or over here you can see that you can open or rename this out over here according to how you like as well. So I'm just going to go around and say Tube graphics right here, just like this, and press update, and the file name will be updated accordingly, as you can see right here. You can go around and then you can see that you can view this as an image or attachment according to how you like as well. So unlike with images, what happens is that with attachments, you can go around and attach any file format as you like. And that is how you can go around and add in attachments inside of Evernote. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.